Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we dissect the news and charts to help you understand the market. Today, October 31st, 2024, we're taking a deep dive into Meta stock, which has been making headlines due to its latest earnings report and continued investment in artificial intelligence. Meta reported strong revenue growth, exceeding Wall Street expectations, but also revealed increased spending on AI development, causing some investors to question the company's financial strategy. Let's start with the daily chart and examine the overall trend of Meta. The daily chart shows that Meta has been on an upward trend for the past few months, with a noticeable break above resistance at around $550. This breakout indicates a strong bullish sentiment and suggests that investors are optimistic about the company's future prospects. However, Meta's stock price dipped slightly after the earnings call, indicating some concerns about the company's increased spending on AI. Looking at the daily chart, we see that the price is trading above the 200-day moving average, a key indicator of long-term bullishness. The volume on the daily chart shows a noticeable surge during the earnings report, indicating heightened market interest in Meta. Let's narrow down our focus to the hourly chart, where we can see a more detailed picture of recent price movements. The hourly chart reveals a volatile trading session around the earnings announcement, with a significant drop in price followed by a quick recovery. This volatility indicates that investors were reacting swiftly to the news. Meta's hourly price action is showing a clear pattern of higher highs and higher lows, indicating continued bullish momentum. If we look at the last few hours, we see that the price has consolidated near the $600 level, possibly forming a new area of support. The volume on the hourly chart is also showing a higher volume during the recent volatility, confirming the market's interest in Meta. Zooming in on the 15-minute chart, we can analyze the most recent price action and assess the short-term market sentiment. The 15-minute chart demonstrates a fast-paced trading environment, with the price oscillating around the $600 mark. The recent price action suggests that investors are still digesting the earnings report and determining their next move. The volume on the 15-minute chart is showing a mix of high and low volume, indicating that the market is indecisive and is likely to continue fluctuating in the short term. We can see that Meta has bounced off the $590 level a few times, creating a potential area of support, but the price has also encountered resistance at the $600 mark. This short-term volatility makes it challenging to predict the exact direction of the price, but it does highlight the market's sensitivity to Meta's AI investments. Based on our analysis of the charts, we can identify some key price levels to watch for in the future. The $600 level has acted as both support and resistance in recent trading sessions, and it's likely to be a focal point for investors in the coming days. If Meta can break above $600 decisively, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend and a potential move towards the $625 to $650 range. However, if the price falls below $600, it could trigger a sell-off and potentially lead to a test of the $580 to $590 support level. We also need to consider the impact of the company's AI investments on its future earnings. If Meta can demonstrate that its AI initiatives are driving significant revenue growth and efficiency, it could reinforce the bullish sentiment and lead to further price gains. However, if investors become concerned about the company's ability to generate profits from its AI investments, it could put downward pressure on the stock price. Overall, Meta's stock price is currently in a state of flux, with investors weighing the potential benefits of AI against the financial risks. The next few days will be crucial for Meta as investors continue to digest the earnings report and assess the long-term implications of the company's AI strategy. The short-term outlook for Meta remains uncertain, with the market likely to continue fluctuating around the $600 level. However, if Meta can demonstrate continued revenue growth and profitability, it could reignite bullish momentum and lead to further price gains.